what is concept of learning in Ayurveda? Ayurveda is having a very innovative approach for learning concept. Ayurveda says, Atma manasa sanyujyate manaha indriyena indriyam arthena tato jnanam. That means learning is totally inner process. When you are having a will to learn something, then your soul connects to your mind connects to the sensory organs, and your sensory organs will connect to the meaning or to the concept like book or from wherever you are getting the knowledge, whether it is teacher or book. So when that chain is totally in sync, then only you will learn. Otherwise, if your mind is distracted, that chain is broken and you cannot get the knowledge. And if you are not having a will to learn, nobody can force you to learn. You cannot force anybody, like they say that you cannot force a horse to drink the water. You can take it to the water, but you cannot force the horse to drink the water. So like drinking water, taking a knowledge is like this. I always believe that if you really want to learn, then the concept of Ayurveda and the basic principles of Ayurveda will help you to learn better. Because there are two things which are very important according to Ayurveda. One is your mind and second is sensory organs. So when your mind is focused, then you can learn better. And when your sensory organs are balanced, then you can focus very well. Ayurveda always says your mind and your sensory organs should be balanced and your health also should be good. Samadoshaha samagnischa samadhatu malakriyaha prasanna atmendriya manaha swastha iti abhidhyate. It means there should be a balance of all dosha, all dhatus, all sensory organs, mind, soul, and mind should be prasanna, that is happy. Then you can learn better. And you know that emotions are energy in motion. If you are having a negative emotions, if you are sad, if you are mad, if you are angry, then those emotions are having a very negative impact on learning. You will not be able to focus. So even study needs a preparation. For a studying, your mind needs a preparation. You have to get your mind set for the studies, and for that you must be very calm. You must ignore the negative feelings. You must be able to focus on what is in front of you, and that is the power of concentration. Ayurveda helps to improve the concentration through different ways. I have explained how to improve the mind concentration in another video, so I am not going to explain in detail about how to improve the mind focus. But learning can be improved with the help of Ayurveda in a different ways. And Ayurveda says learning is not only in a school. You are learning every moment. It is moment to moment you are learning, and when you learn, your brain changes. So Ayurveda says become more and more daksha, or become more and more alert to gain the knowledge. If you are not alert, you will lose knowledge, and if you are having a laziness, you will not gain the knowledge. So Ayurveda always says that a disciple must be very active, very alert, very ambitious, having a good willpower, and as well as giving respect to the teachers and parents. And now the thing will come, you will say that, oh, that is so traditional, that giving respect to parents and teachers. No, if you will Google it, that gratitude, how the gratitude is having effect on our brain. When we respect our teachers, then our brain is having a lot of good emotions, and these emotions help us to learn better. So I am going to tell you that give respect to your teachers, give respect to your parents. That is for the benefit of your own brain. Your brain is becoming more and more powerful with the gratitude. Be some selfish. So learning and Ayurveda, they are very much correlated, and this 5,000 years old wisdom has tested and proven, time tested. So I would recommend you to take the advantage of Ayurveda to learn better and to become more smart in your studies, so that you will be able to focus your mind and to focus your energy. And there are different kind of remedies in Ayurveda to improve the academic performance, that also you can take the advantage of it with the help of expert. I wish you good luck. Thank you.